Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, guys, and if your turn signals do not work, guys, and you're trying to find the fuse for the turn signal, stay with us and we'll explain where that fuse is located, guys. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this first generation Ford Edge, we're making, guys, at least 200 videos. Why we do all that? Why we take our cars completely apart, guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. That's all we need in return, and hopefully we'll be able to teach you how to fix your car for free. Now, if you need to, guys, get replacement fuses, relays, car parts, any tools, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. It's there, guys, for your convenience. So I will go ahead and open the hood. Let me explain now what we have here, guys. This is a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll demonstrate on, but it should cover many years. Okay, 2009. You have two fuse boxes. One is under the hood, but ours is not there. We don't need to work there. For the fuse for the turn signals, guys, okay, front, rear, and left and right turn signals, guys, they're actually inside the vehicle. And let me explain where, guys. If you come right here, you will need to open the door, get in the driver compartment by the pedals. You're going to notice, guys, okay, that you actually have one fuse box, okay, right there on the side. Let me explain quick. This right here now, guys, okay, this is the fuse box. So usually the first thing that you will need to remove, okay, let me explain to you quick, guys, okay, will be that cover right here. This cover, guys, what you need to do, okay, you need to slide that thing over, pull it out. Then you're going to have this cover here, okay, it will be underneath. Squish that, okay, like that, pull it out, guys. What we're looking at now, okay, the fuse, guys, okay, that fuse for the turn signals will be on the very left side, and it will be the sixth fuse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you're missing any, you still need to count the missing fuse. This fuse, guys, it's a 20 amp fuse. So I will go ahead and pull that fuse out, and I'll show you guys where you can get good deal on fuses, so make sure you stay with us. So grab that 20 amp fuse, pull it out. Okay, this is it right there. This is the 20 amp fuse. Now let me explain, guys, where you can get replacement fuses for a really good price, fast shipping as well. These fuses here, guys, okay, it comes even with the free fuse pour, so you can get those for a really good price, guys, and you will never worry about running out of fuses, I guarantee you that. So now, with that being said, I get a new replacement fuse and just push it in, and after that, guys, I'll go ahead, check it, okay, and what I'll do, I'm going to turn the turn signals, okay, the emergency flashers, and see if they will actually work. But our battery is dead, I forgot to mention that, so we need to get a new battery. But this is, guys, the fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.